100% natural and healthy working way to increase your size, erection, desire, and timing. Marital life totally depends on desire, erection, size, and time. So, we are here with working and clinically proved herbal remedy which have 100% successful rate with no side effects and gives you permanent solution. As it is not a new or latest kind of research or something, this remedy is being used since from 2004. That's why we are so sure about result. It is in the form of oil and capsules which are manufactured in the supervision of our highly qualified team of herbalists. Now I will explain you how it works. There are two things: oil, which give you strength and power to muscles and increase the blood flow in the veins, which gives you maximum erection and helps to increase size. And capsules will also increase desire and timing as well. And now I will explain how to use these things. You have to use oil, have to apply 3 drops and massage it gently for 2 minutes until it absorbs in the skin and leave it till morning. And after that, capsules after breakfast with milk or water on alternate day. Duration of this course is 1 month and we are offering 50% discount with free home delivery in 99 dirhams only. If you want to get this offer, WhatsApp the location and calling number, or if you have any query, you can contact on the same given number. Thank you. Thanks a lot.